Okay, so next we are going to study about irrational numbers. Yes, can you tell me what are irrational numbers? What do you mean by a irrational number? Which numbers are called as irrational? Numbers which aren't rational. Okay, the numbers which are not rational are called as irrational number. Yes, Akhil.
Number which cannot be written in the form of p by q.
Correct. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q, and where p and q are what? Integers. Okay. So this definition you will have to write it in the CW also. Any number which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. Okay. Can you give me the examples now? Examples of irrational. 0 upon 0. Okay. Yes. Other example. Yes, Disha.
Sir, root 2.
Root 2. Okay, correct. Any other example? Sarthak.
Sir, pi.
Pi. Pi is also an irrational number because we cannot write the value of pi in the form of p by q. Okay, 3.142. That division goes on, and we do not get the remainder 0 at any cost. Okay, if we do the division of this 22 upon 7, will not never get the remainder 0. Okay, so that's why pi is also an irrational number. We cannot write it in the form of p by q. Yes, Akhil.
Sir, root 3 and 0.1101.
What you're telling? Root? Your voice is not coming. Root 3. Okay, root 3 is also irrational. Root 5 is also irrational. Okay, under root 7 is also irrational. So these all are the examples of irrational numbers. Okay, these all are the examples of irrational numbers because these numbers we cannot write it in the form of p by q. All odd numbers are irrational numbers. No, that is not the case, Sri Hari. See, all odd numbers means odd numbers are this 1, 3, 5, 7. They are not irrational now. Okay. Arya, what you're telling, I'm not getting it. All surds are irrational. Arya, you can unmute yourself. Okay. So these are the examples of irrational numbers. Any number which cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, those are irrational numbers. This you will have to copy it in the CW. This everything, examples also and the definition also in the CW. Okay, next, what are real numbers now? Okay, we'll see real numbers. So all rational numbers and irrational numbers together make up the collection of real numbers. And real numbers are denoted by capital R. So रियल नंबर्स के अंदर सारे रैशनल नंबर्स भी आएंगे, सारे इरेशनल नंबर्स भी आएंगे. वो सेट को हम लोग बोलेंगे रियल नंबर्स. Therefore a real number is either a rational or irrational number. Okay, So we can say that every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line also. Every point on the number line represents a unique real number. Okay. सो रियल नंबर्स के अंदर कौन से आते हैं? रियल नंबर्स के अंदर आते हैं रैशनल नंबर्स, सारे रैशनल नंबर्स और सारे इरेशनल नंबर्स. दे कम इन द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. So if we take any number in the world, that is a real number then. Okay, if we take any number in the world, that is a real number. Yes or no? Because in real numbers, all the rational numbers also come and irrational numbers also come. What happened? Arya, you're telling no.
Sir, actually complex numbers aren't real numbers.
Yeah, complex numbers is another part. Okay, it doesn't come under number system family. Okay, so in real numbers, all the rational numbers and irrational numbers, they come up together. So can you give me the examples now? Yes, all whole numbers, natural numbers, they are real numbers. Yes, Ashish, under root of minus 3 is not a real number. Correct. Under root of minus 3 is not a real number. It is a complex number because see, under root of minus 3, if the minus sign comes inside the root, what happens? See, we can write it like this: under root of minus 1 multiplied by 3. Okay, now the value of under root of minus 1 is equal to I. Now I is a imaginary number here and it becomes a complex number. Okay, it becomes a complex number then. So that is not our concern. You will study about complex numbers in class 11th and 12th. Okay. 22 by 7, that is also an example of real number, correct? Because in real numbers, all the rational numbers and irrational numbers, they come up together. So whatever is displayed on this page, you will again write it in the CW and you will write the examples also. Don't write this example of under root of minus 3 because this is not a real number. It is a complex number. Okay. So the value of this under root of minus 3, what it will become? It will become under root 3i. Okay. And where this I is what? It is an imaginary number and it is not in our syllabus. It is the part of complex numbers. Okay. Oh, Munde, under root 9 is equal to 3. Yes, it is a real number and 3 is a rational number. So it is a real number. Okay. So now let's see. We know how to locate the rational numbers on the number line. We have seen it. Okay. But what about the irrational numbers now? Can we locate irrational numbers also on the number line? What do you say? Yes, Srihari. Srihari, you have raised your hand. Okay, so we can locate irrational numbers also on the number line. As we locate rational numbers on the number line, we can locate irrational numbers also on the number line. Let's take an example, then it will be more clear. Suppose we want to locate under root 2 on the number line because under root 2 is an irrational number and we are going to locate this irrational number on the number line. So for that, what we'll have to do? First, we will have to draw a number line. Yes or no? We will have to draw a line for that. So this is our number line. Okay, this is our number line. The center part here we place 0. Okay, take 1 centimeters distance. Take 1 centimeter distance, mark here 1. Take another 1 centimeter distance, mark here 2. Take another 1 centimeters distance, mark here 3. Take another 1 centimeters distance, mark here 4. Take another 1 centimeters distance, mark here 5. See, the distance should be same, huh? It should be 1 centimeter only. Okay, 1 cm, 1 cm. The distance should be same. This side also minus 1. 1 centimeter distance you will take, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Now we have to mark under root 2 on the number line. For that, what we will do, we will draw a rough figure first, and we are going to use Pythagoras theorem here. Okay, so for that we will draw a rough figure here first of all. Okay, तो ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल हम लोग पहले रफ में बना लेंगे. Now this angle is of 90 degree. Okay, so in order to get this hypotenuse as root 2, we will have to take the base and height of this right angle triangle as 1 1. Okay, जब आप यहाँ पे Pythagoras theorem apply करोगे in this right angle triangle, so what you are going to get, hypotenuse square. Suppose we'll give the name also to the triangle. The triangle is A, B, and C. Okay, so what will be AC square, that is hypotenuse, will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so now what is the value of AB? We have taken it as 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. So what it comes, 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Now AC square is equal to 2. So AC will be what? AC will be under root of 2. Okay, so now how to plot it on the number line? Let's see it. Now base of this triangle, this is the base, AB is the base. So what is the base of this triangle? It is equal to 1. So take a distance of 1 here. On this number line, we will take the distance of 1 here. See, we'll draw this distance here, 1. Okay, then from this point we will draw a perpendicular line, and we know how to draw a perpendicular line. You can use your that protractor to measure the 90-degree angle, and you can draw the perpendicular, or you can use the set square also. With the help of set square also we can draw the perpendicular line. Now what you will do, you will take this distance in your rounder, this much distance in your rounder. You will put the pointer at this point, and you will draw a chop here like this. Okay, so this distance will also be 1. Then this is 1, and this will also be 1. Next, what you will do, you will join this point with this point. Okay, now after joining this point, in your rounder you will take this much distance. Okay, in your rounder you will take this much distance. You will place the pointer at this point. Okay, you will place the pointer at this point, and then you will draw a chop here on the number line. So wherever it will cut on this number line, this value is under root 2. This value is under root 2. Is it clear to everyone? You will have to do it with the help of scale, pencil, geometric box. No one will draw it roughly. Okay, rough figure तो हमको साइड में बनाना है for our use. Okay. Sir, we have to do it hit and trial every time. Yes, we are going to make the use of प्रीवियस वैल्यू टू गेट द नेक्स्ट वैल्यू। जैसे कि अगर हमको अभी √3 निकालना है तो हम लोग √2 का हेल्प लेंगे। ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट ऑल्सो, डोंट वरी। बस अभी आप इतना बोलो कि आप √2 प्लॉट कर सकते हो या नहीं कर सकते ऑन द नंबर लाइन। ओके, accurate measurement it is not approximate, it is accurate। okay, we are using the scale, we are taking 1 centimeters distance accurately, and we'll get the value of √2 also accurately on the number line। okay, so again I'll explain this process how to draw it on the number line. Again I'll repeat it one more time so that it will be more clear to everyone। First draw the rough figure draw करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। okay, then draw a line, this line will be a number line। Arya, we can plot it as 1.414, but 1.414 के आगे भी कुछ वैल्यू होता है and we don't get the exact value here, so do it this way only। डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करके उसको प्लॉट मत करना, that is wrong, absolutely wrong। okay, so first draw a number line, mark 0 here, take 1 centimeters distance, mark the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6। okay, this side negative integers -1, -2, -3। okay, after that what is the base of our right angle triangle? We have to form that right angle triangle on the number line now, that's it। ये जो हमने रफ में right angle triangle बनाया है वो हमको number line पे form करना है। so what is the base? Base is 1। so what we'll do, we'll take from 0 to 1, we will take this distance, this is 1 centimeter distance, because while drawing the number line only we took it as 1 centimeter। now from this point, okay, we'll give this as name as B। okay, from point B draw a perpendicular, and you know how to draw a perpendicular, take the angle of 90°। okay, then take this distance OB in your rounder, place the pointer at point B of the rounder and draw a chop here, so this distance will also be 1। okay, this distance will also be 1। next what you will do, you will join this O point with A point, this is your A point suppose, so you will join it। okay, after joining it, take distance OA in your rounder, place the rounder's pointer at O, and from this point draw a chop here on the number line, it will cut the number line at this point। okay, so this point here which you got is nothing but under √2। is it clear to everyone now? is it clear to everyone? Please give the response, no response I am getting। okay then okay, then we'll move forward। now next we are going to locate under √3 on the number line। Okay. Now for locating under root 3 on the number line, we will take the help of under root 2 also. Okay. So now I am going to rub this rough figure. I'll rub this rough figure because this rough figure will not be required for locating under root 3. Okay. Now under root 3, when it is formed, first we will draw a rough right angle triangle. Okay. यहाँ पे अंडर रूट 2 होना चाहिए और यहाँ पे 1 होना चाहिए. तब जब आप पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करोगे तो यू विल गेट द हाइपोटेनियस एज अंडर रूट 3 नाउ. Okay, so what, suppose we'll give the name a b c. So what is ac square? AC square is equal to ab square plus bc square. Now what is AB? AB is the base and it is equal to under root 2's square. BC is what? Height. So it is equal to 1 square. So under root 2 square is 2 plus 1 square is 1. So you are getting 3. So AC square is equal to 3. So AC will be equal to what? Under root of 3. Okay. Now we will take the help of this under root 2, okay, for plotting under root 3 value. Again, what we will do, we will draw a number line now. So we will draw a line. Okay. So this is our number line again. We'll mark 0, we'll mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This side -1, -2, -3, and -4. See, here also you'll have to take the distance 1 centimeter between the two numbers. Huh? You have to keep the distance same, 1 centimeter. Now see, what is the base? Base is equal to under root 2. So from where you're going to take the distance under root 2? From here. You will keep the pointer at this point in your rounder. Okay. And this much distance you will take in your rounder and place the pointer at 0 here and mark that distance here. Okay. Mark that distance here. So now this distance from this point to this point, this distance is under root 2, and this is nothing but the base. This is nothing but the base. Okay. So you will mark this distance here from the above figure. You will mark this distance of under root 2 here. Okay. Next, what you will do from this point, this is suppose your point B. From point B, draw a perpendicular. And then you will take the distance of 1 centimeter here on this perpendicular and draw a chop like this. This distance is 1 centimeter. This AB distance is 1. Okay. Then what you will do finally, you will join this point with this point A. Okay. And measure this distance in your rounder and draw a chop on the number line. So wherever it will cut, this point is nothing but under root 3. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? So for drawing root 3, we have taken the help of root 2. Similarly, for drawing a root 5, we will take the help of root 2 or root 3. Root 5, I guess there is no need because one side we will take it as 2 and other we will take it as 1. Yes, yes. Height we are taking it as 1. We are only changing the base. How we can get under root 11? Yes, Sarthak. How we can get under root 11? How we can get under root 11? By using Pythagoras theorem. Under root 10 plus 1, correct? So base you will take under root 10 in that case, and height you will take it as 1. Is it clear to everyone? See, this is very important. We can locate the rational numbers on the number line, but when we go for irrational numbers to locate on the number line, it is somewhat difficult. The process is difficult. If you follow the process accurately, definitely you will locate the value. What is the value of under root 2? In terms of decimal, it is 1.414, correct? See, you can see here this value is coming between 1 and 2 and less than 1.5. So 1.4, it is exactly coming. When you will draw it with the scale, you will get the exact values. Okay. And what about under root 3? It is 1.732. Okay. So it should come more than 1.5. So it is coming more than 1.5. You can check it on the number line also. This is only the method, Arya. This is only the method to locate the irrational numbers on the number line. There is no other method. Suppose you want to locate under root 65. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to locate, Arya, pay attention. So under root 65, we will take this side as 8 and this side as 1. Okay. So 8 square is 64 and plus 1 square is 1. So under root 65, this value will be under root 65, like that. Okay. So we will stop here today, and tomorrow we will continue with the exercise. You complete till here. You have to locate root 2 also on the number line, root 3 also on the number line. Tomorrow we'll start the exercise.